Hi, Gibaud, Gibaud.com, and today I'm going to present you this video kit by K&F Concept, which is a mini tripod, support for smartphone, microphone. You can actually use it for other things than smartphone. So let's speak about it. Let's start. About a year ago, K&F Concept sent me gears to test, so I reviewed them on my channel, and they included this microphone, but they said no, it's not for reviewing, it's for you, so you test it, and if there's things you think we could better, just tell us, so we try to better the product. And I never reviewed it, so many people contact me asking for an affordable video kit, so I thought it was time to review it, so I'm going to review it now. Well, video kits have many pieces in there, so I'm going to show you bit by bit because I split it so I can see. Okay, so let's start with the microphone. This is a metal microphone. It's protected against interferences. It's aluminum alloy, something like this. Really nice. Okay, so that was a microphone. This is a cardiac microphone that covers 270 degrees, so it picks in the front, a bit on the back, but it picks in the front, not really from the back, so that's what vlogger like, to pick a bit of sound around. It's not really directional, but it's still okay for what we do. Okay, then let's speak about the tripod part. It's a small tripod you can actually use like this, or you open it as a tripod, and what I like about it is you have extensions, okay, like this. So if you wanted to have it a bit higher or more stable, you can use it this way. Here you have several options. You can place the microphone on its own, just a microphone, okay, nothing else. You can place a camera on there, and then you will place a microphone on the hot shoe, the flash hot shoe of the camera, or you could use a clip that comes here, so you can actually put a smartphone in there. So I place my smartphone, and what I like is you can actually bend it a bit like this if you want, and if you want to record vertical, with no problem you can record vertical too. Okay, so that's really really okay, really nice. Now on the top of this I can place the microphone, so for that it comes with a clip for that. It's actually it absorbs vibration. Okay, so I clip it here. Okay, so I clip it here. It could go on the hot shoe or on this. Okay, so now I'm going to place it here, and here's my microphone. Obviously the big problem of recording outdoor is the wind, so they didn't forget to put a dead cat. The name is horrible, okay, a wind muff or something like this they call it. So let's place it, a windshield, proper name. Okay, so let's place it on it. So here it is, and now you need to connect your microphone. So included in the box you have two cable. This microphone, you can use it on your smartphone, you can use it on your camera, also on a computer. So if you're going to use camera or computer, this is this one. Okay, and if you're using a smartphone, then you must place this one. Okay, it's written here where it says smartphone, and the other one says camera. Okay, and then you're going to plug it in your smartphone. If you're like me, an iPhone user, then you don't have any jack connector, so you will need a small lightning adapter. I mean, Apple is making lots of money with that. Okay, so now I can plug it in and I'm ready. Okay, so this setup is with a smartphone, but instead of this clip I could have a camera here and this on the hot shoe, all this. So it's really nice, really handy. In any time you can open it and put it on the table or anywhere, and I really like it, the way it works. I've recorded many videos with that. So maybe it's the first time you come to my YouTube channel and you have not heard the sound of this microphone because I have not seen any other video. So now I'm going to record a sample with my iPhone, so you can hear the sound. Okay, so now this is the sound without correction. Normally when I edit the video in Final Cut Pro, I put optimize for human voice, and then I add a bit of sonora and clean the noise. but right now this is the sound direct from microphone. So now I show you with correction. So now, as you can hear, this is corrected. This is, if you've seen any other video on my YouTube channel, this is the sound you probably recognize. And this microphone is really great, I think, for the price it has. And I don't always use it like this, handheld. I don't even always use a mini tripod. When I'm in my van, I put a mini tripod, but otherwise, if I'm outside like this, I use the Magic Plate by K&F Concept. I actually reviewed some time ago, and place it on a normal tripod, and then I put my smartphone in this Magic Plate, and then I put the microphone on top of it. Okay, so I think this is a great kit for a really affordable price. Well, I can actually make the conclusion here in Las Mercedes in Tenerife. I'm sure you've recognized some of these roads, because if you've seen my channel, I've made many tests of camera and lenses here, so maybe you recognize it, and you've maybe heard that sound before. Okay, so what can I say about this kit? I think for the price it has, I think it's less than 50 euros. I think it's really affordable, really great for vloggers. And is it the top quality? Well, probably it's not the best microphone. I tested some that are better than that, but I think it's really practical. I keep using this one because it's easier, it's faster, it's versatile. You can connect a computer to a camera or to a smartphone. It's really practical. I really like it. So I think quality is enough for any vlogger. Many people contact me asking what microphone for YouTube. There are some other options that are a lot more expensive, and I think this one for most people, this is enough. So I really use it, and I think last year I think I published, like, I can't remember, now I've got more than 1,000 videos on my YouTube channel, and I think like about 400 have been recorded with this microphone. So I think the proof is here. Can you use that for YouTube? Yes, you can. By the way, I do. Maybe it's not always the best sound, but I think it's really okay for what I do. And maybe some people are too picky about sound. They want, like, if it was a Philharmonic Orchestra of Berlin in their sound, but if sound is okay, it's enough. You don't need like music perfect sound. Okay, so I think it's really recommendable. So if you're interested in this kit, I'll leave you a link in the description. You can get it. So thank you very much, K&F Concept, for sending it to me over a year ago. Thank you to you for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a small button down here and also a small bell. If you click on the bell, get notified when I upload a new video. My website, ericgibaud.com. If you have any question, can leave a comment below. I'll also leave you links of my gear on Amazon, links to other parts of my YouTube channel, and also a link to my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much. Please take care of yourself, and see you soon. Bye.